Okay, so leg 4, we've got the gate at 12 o'clock. Okay, so once we're through the gate, the first person at the top wins, right? Now, Captain, what's your name? Debbie, I heard you prepared us a speech to bring up victory. That's right. A 10-second motivational speech from your captain. Take us all the way. Take it away.
What do you say, Debbie?
We want to be the winners, not the losers. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, big cheer, big cheer. Come on, that was pathetic. Everybody scream. Doing good. Yeah, they're pro over there, sir. Okay, here we are coming up to the gate. We have a one vote length lead, so with no mistakes, we can win the race. Okay, we have the option as we're in the lead, we can go either way. So inshore, so we've got a flag at 12 o'clock. We're going to keep it to our left hand side, round up, hit the post, then we're going to beat back to the finish line, see the finish line on a shot. Okay, he's up there. He's going to have two flags in his hand when we cross. Blue represents stars, white is grass. Ready to center main? Yes. Then George Grimes, go! Add another wrap on the wind so you have 4. George, you get ready to bring the main in with 1. Make the me, Commando, up. Now, second gear on the main, go. Segundo. Yep. Am I clear? 1. Gear. Stand by for flag. Capitán! This is the last leg. How my grinders up front? Alright, this is the leg that counts. All those years of training. That's why you done it. First boat through that line's the winner today. It's gonna be us, yeah? Yes! Alrighty, so we're gonna have feet, each run at 10 times. Right! Give yourselves a round of applause. Nicely done. And of course, 3 cheers to the opposition. It's tradition. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Alright, nicely done, everybody. We got him by about half a boat length. That's a good win.
Thank you for buen trabajo. Ganamos la carrera, ¿eh? ¡Pum!
No, darling, we don't play those games.
So does he have to fight here?
Absolutely. He done enough close ones for me. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go for a bit of a sail. Okay? So you can relax. If you want to move around, get comfortable, feel free. If you want to drive, now's your opportunity. Bars open, relax. Good job, everybody.
Yeah, beers, water, soda. Agua. Sure. Water. George, you need drink?
A lot of beer, that'll take care of that. Hangover.
Is my stuff downstairs?
That's coming up now.
Oh, good. So I can get my camera out.
Agua.
Thank you. No, I'm good. I might get one for popping off.
Digo, ¿quieres algo?
Oh, yeah. They were mentioned. I can say, stay one place. What do you call this? Yeah, I did a grinder. Yeah.
Winch wedge.
A winch winch.
That's right.
I can do that.
Winch in the wedge.
My brother has a 33-foot Seawind.
Amigo.
Right?
Asked me to go sailing. Sailing one time. I said, sure. Get out on the boat, and it's a catamaran. And a bunch of other people show up.
Red.
They all start moving to the front of the boat. He motors out of the harbor. They put the mainsail up, and they put the jib up, and then I look back and there's nobody at the helm. He's up in front. He has it on automatic pilot. I said, this isn't sailing.
Driving. Motorboating.
Yeah.
Oh, they're nice things to have.
Like yours.
They cause a lot of accidents as well.
Yeah, yeah. Like if you hadn't seen it in the camera.
I just have a nice stiff steering, so I can wait 30 seconds. Please stay straight. Okay, photo time. If you want a photo of the whole group, you give it Cameron and Fernando. Take for you.
Que digan tequila, ¿eh?
Tequila.
Uno tiró. Uno más. Un amigo dice error.
Ready, 1, 2. Take one more. Although the good thing is sunglasses. No, I don't have to worry about anybody blinking or squinting. Here, Mary,
Ok, ¿listos una vez más? Se los voy a captar con el velero atrás, ¿eh? Y dice 1, 2, 3, tequila. Uno más. Genial. Ahora lo voy a tomar uno para allá.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, amigos, now everybody look the camera. Say tequila. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Tequila!
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is this on auto focus?
It will be, yes. If you do half down, and you'll see a bunch of little boxes. And the boxes are on up. Oh, wait.
México.
I'm not going
Oh,
nowhere.
so you leaning back. I'm like, oh, look, no, look.
I'm not going in this way. No, there won't be great whites in this area. There'll be bull sharks. Yes. A lot of reef sharks around, but they hang out in the deep. There's plenty of fish out here, so they don't. There's 2,000 divers in the water every day in Cozumel. They don't
Okay,
have any
amigos,
problems.
one more time. Say guacamole, everybody. Guacamole. 1, 2, 3.
Divers, ready to send some main. Set up and play. Send the main. Oh, start. Hold on. Go again. They bring jibing? You don't need them anymore. Both loose, yes. Winch wrenches are fired. Okay, now. Right, jibing again. Now, this is my last race for a while, so I've got to put the boat back to where we started. The only way I can safely stop is to move you all out of the way. So, everybody in front of the mast, on the front deck, relax on the front deck up there. You'll be there for at least 15-20 minutes. Make yourself comfortable. If you want to hang your legs over the rail, do it on the right. The tender goes to the left, and I don't have to move you twice. You can leave, yes, absolutely. Caja Blanca, there's a white box that George has. That's it too. That's the ladies on board. Everyone else, hang your legs over the rail or sit on the flat deck. There is no rush. Go ahead. Manage your bags. And the safety rope in case you slip. Let the guys help you. Good. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me give you a hand this way, please.
The beer. Okay.